Italmec has designed and engineered its Air Quattro self-cleaning bench with dry technology to enhance the filtration capacity of traditional water benches. Its engineering ensures that the operator has a wide range of options available during processing. The extraction system consists of quiet, high-power fans that generate extremely efficient suction, even when work is done at a distance from the bench. Its filters ensure that filtering performance is up to 99% efficient. The dust is captured in the filters and conveyed to easy-to-empty dust drawers. This phase, known as the self-cleaning cycle, is completely automatic. Self-cleaning cycles are a key part of the process, but Italmec recommends that the filters are cleaned manually at least once a year in order to ensure that the bench is always operating at peak efficiency.